Gaano ka-importante ang decision making sa business? 'Di ba napakahalaga niyan? Kasi napansin mo, any decision that you make may impact sa iyong bottom line or may impact dun sa paglaki ng kumpanya mo. Some business people, they decided to remain small. Therefore, they're just surviving. Decision din yon. Some people don't decide. And because of that, they allow circumstances to decide for them. Decision making din yon, di ba? And some people, they decide to become big, but it's a wrong decision. And therefore, they fail. But there are people who decided to become big and then they make the right decision step by step. Yun ang kinakailangan natin maintindihan. Paano ginagawa yon? Therefore, I invited a friend of mine, Senator Manny Villar, who is considered to be a multi-billionaire, the richest Filipino in the Philippines. So, tignan natin kung paano siya nagde-decide. Hindi ba? This is an opportunity for us to ask him questions that he may reveal to us ano yung mga palatandaan, ano yung mga importanteng i-consider para makapag-decide tayo ng tama. Ano ba yung mga ginawa niyang desisyon? Paano niya palaki yung kanyang negosyo? Therefore, marami siyang natulungan na tao. These are the things that we have to understand. We also invited Mami Negosyo para maturuan tayo paano natin mapapalaki. Mami Negosyo has actually helped hundreds of entrepreneurs para mapalaki nila yung kanilang negosyo. So, these two people will help us make those decisions. Magsama-sama tayo March 22, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. dito sa Brittany Hotel, Villar City, Bacoor, Cavite. I invite you. I-click mo na yung registry and register for that event and I'll see you there.